Today we're going to talk about what a project manager does in the construction industry. Project management is a broad term, and the role of project manager exists across almost every industry. This video aims to explain what project managers do and how the role benefits a construction project. In the context of construction, the RICS defines it as follows. The project manager occupies a lead role in the development process with the responsibility of driving successful completion of the project and occupying the space between the employer and the building contract, design team and other consultants employed on the project. Acting on behalf of the client, the project manager is a professional advisor who is responsible for managing the day-to-day delivery of construction projects and is concerned with the technical performance, cost and time elements of the project. In the most simplest of terms, they will plan what is needed to be done, implement those plans, control and monitor the progress of the project, and manage risk. In order to be effective in their role, it is important that they are treated as part of the client team, whether they are an in-house project manager or a consultant specifically engaged for a particular project. This means that they must have authority to issue instructions and review project progress as if they were the client. Clearly, the importance of this role is such that the client should undertake robust due diligence to ensure that they appoint an appropriate, qualified and competent person. While some clients may have an in-house resource to fulfill this role, many choose to appoint an external project manager as it allows them to retain a qualified and experienced person as and when needed. The project manager should be appointed as early as possible in the project in order for them to be involved in early decision making to enable them to contribute to the strategic development of the project plans. The role of the project manager is referenced in the NEC suite of contracts. For projects using the JCT standard and intermediate form of contracts, the project manager's duties will likely extend to contract administrator. Where the JCT design and build contract is used, in its place, the project manager's role may integrate into the employer's agent role, or a project manager may be appointed alongside, depending on the size and complexity of the project. As mentioned above, the project manager is responsible for the technical performance, cost and time elements of a project, and therefore must have both technical skills and commercial awareness. Key responsibilities undertaken by the project manager include identifying needs and developing the client brief, assembling and managing the project team and administrating appointments, identifying and managing project risk and advising on risk management strategies, establishing project protocols, procedures and controls, implementing communication plans, establishing the budget and implementing controls, preparing a delivery program and implementing controls, managing feasibility, value engineering and design development, coordinating legal, planning and other regulatory consents, liaising with statutory undertakers, coordinating design programs and procurement schedules, providing procurement advice, coordinating tender documentation, conducting tender evaluations and contractor selection, liaising and communicating with internal and external stakeholders, and lastly, progress reporting. Construction projects are complex and fraught with risk. Engaging an experienced and professional project manager ensures that you, as the client, has the skills required to implement systems, processes and controls to manage the various teams in order to reduce and manage risk. A competent project manager will have a deep understanding of how to deliver a successful construction project and be able to protect relationships whilst building a collaborative team that is able to overcome any obstacle that may arise during the life of a project. They provide direction and management through the design and tender and construction stages whilst controlling the scope, cost, quality and time. Meanwhile, their in-depth understanding of construction contracts will ensure that they protect your contractual position. In addition to all of this, the project manager is pivotal to maintaining channels of communication regarding the progress of the project to the project team and all the stakeholders, and to keep you as the client informed as the project progresses. If you are looking to appoint a project manager, the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors has a really helpful guide which can be found on their website. Hopefully, this brief video has helped you understand the practicalities of the project manager's role. However, delivering a successful project requires more than technical and commercial skills. In order to foster collaborative teams that are able to work together, even if complication arises, the role calls for a well-honed interpersonal skills and the leadership qualities that will inspire a diverse workforce towards a common goal. You need someone who remains calm and professional under pressure whilst being able to make fair and impartial decisions. So I hope you found value in this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we really look forward to hearing from you.